Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to continue one of the most important topic of AI, that is its different types. In part 1 we have already discussed three important types of AI, that is narrow AI, general AI and super intelligent AI. अगर पार्ट 1 आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो आप देख सकते हो, मैंने लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ऐड किया है. सो नाउ हम फोर्थ टाइप का AI पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज रिएक्टिव मशीन्स. So reactive machines are one of the most simplest form of AI. They don't have memory. This AI don't have memory, or we can say they don't have the ability to learn from their past experiences. Instead, they respond to specific inputs with predetermined outputs. So this is the basic working of reactive machines. Let's talk about its example. So the classic example of reactive machine is IBM का Deep Blue. IBM's Deep Blue is an example of reactive machine which famously defeated chess champion Gary Kasparov. Alright, so Deep Blue analyzes the current state of the chessboard and made decisions based solely on that information without any learning from previous games. So previous game में क्या हुआ था, कैसे वो हारा था, ये सब चीजें reactive machines नहीं देखता है. ये सिर्फ अपने जो करंट एक्सपीरियंस है, करंट सिनेरियो है, उसी के बेसिस पे हमें रिजल्ट देता है. All right. Some most important positives of reactive machines include, first is its simplicity. Okay. Another is its speed, because they respond only to current inputs without needing to process past data. So reactive machines can make decisions quickly, which is crucial in time sensitive scenario. Another important positive of a reactive machine is its reliability. Next is focused functionality. It's your focused functionality. Another positive is lower resource requirement. All these points are, students, very important for your examinations. Definitely you will get 100 out of 100 if you write all these points. Another positive is deterministic output. It's deterministic output. Alright, so this is all about reactive machines. Now let's just talk about another type, that is your limited memory. Okay. So AI that can use past experiences to inform current decisions is the limited memory. For example, self-driving cars. In self-driving cars, we uses limited memory AI protocols. Okay, systems like self-driving cars, Tesla or Waymo use past data from various driving scenarios to improve navigation and decision making. So this is how limited memory AI works. Next we have is theory of mind. So AI that can understand human emotions. It is a type of AI, I'm writing it here, that can understand human emotions, beliefs, and intentions. And theory of mind type of AI is still in development. Okay. अभी इसके अगर हम एग्जाम्पल की बात करें, सो देयर इज नो एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज नो सिस्टम दैट यूजेस थियोरी ऑफ माइंड AI दीज डेज. अभी इस पे काम चल रहा है. ठीक है, नॉट फुली डेवलप्ड कैटेगरी में इसको हम इंक्लूड करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज सेल्फ अवेयर AI. सो एन एडवांस्ड हाइपोथेटिकल फॉर्म, इट इज एन advanced hypothetical form of AI that has self-awareness and consciousness. It has self-awareness and consciousness. For example, this concept is purely speculative and has not been released. So अभी इस पर काम चल रहा है और ये अभी तक इसका कोई एग्जाम्पल कोई सॉफ्टवेयर रिलीज नहीं हुआ है. Now let's just talk about some characteristics of self-awareness AI that is very important for your exams. First characteristic is self-recognition. Is self-recognition. That means the ability to understand its own existence and distinguish itself from others. It includes recognizing its own state and capabilities. Another characteristic is understanding emotions. Understanding the emotions. A self-aware AI would not only recognize human emotions, but also it can potentially understand its own feelings or state in a meaningful way. Another characteristic of self-awareness AI is intentionality. It's intentionality. Okay. It includes the ability to set goals, to make plans, and understand the consequences of actions based on its self knowledge. Another is we can say, learning from experiences. एग्जामिनेशन में ये बहुत बार पूछा गया है कि क्या सेल्फ अवेयरनेस एआई में लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस से लर्निंग की पावर है या फिर नहीं है. सो यस, नाउ यू कैन से कि लर्निंग फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस इज द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस एआई. अनलाइक रिएक्टिव मशीन्स, self-awareness AI would learn from past experiences and adapt its behavior over time. Next and last characteristic of self-awareness AI is, let me just erase this. It is complex decision making. Okay, so it would be capable of making so many decisions, even tough decisions that consider a broader range of factors, including ethical considerations. So all these are the characteristics of self-awareness AI. Next we have is natural language processing. As I have told you earlier, this is a very important type of AI. We will discuss this in detail in some next session. अभी सिर्फ थोड़ा सा introduction आपको देती हूँ. AI that can understand and generate human language. Natural language processing यानी कि language को process कर रहा है naturally. So human languages को generate करना and understand करना is the key responsibility of natural language processing. For example, GPT models. GPT models like ChatGPT and similar models that can generate text and engage in conversation. Another example can be Google Translator that can translate text between different languages using AI. So all these are the examples of natural language processing. Next is computer vision. AI that interprets and processes visual information. It can interpret and process visual information. For example, facial recognition. Facial recognition, and another example is autonomous drones. So drones that can navigate and identify objects using visual data is called autonomous drones. Another type of AI is robotics. So AI applied in machines that perform tasks in physical world is called robotics. Definitely we all know. Let's take some examples. First is industrial robots. Industrial robots. So robots used in manufacturing. For example, robotic arms in automotive production. Another example can be Boston Dynamic robots. Advanced robots like Spot that can navigate complex environment. So all these are examples of robotics AI. Another is expert system. So AI expert system is a type of AI that uses rules and knowledge to solve specific problem. For example, medical diagnosis system. Medical diagnosis system. AI like IBM Watson Health that helps doctors diagnose diseases based on symptoms and data. And the last example is reinforcement learning. So this type of AI learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback and receiving the feedback. For example, AlphaGo. AlphaGo is very famous artificial intelligence driven tool that is taken under the category of reinforcement learning. In AlphaGo, the AI that defeated the world champion in the game of Go, learning from countless games played against itself. So AlphaGo is its example. So all these types are very important. I hope everything is clear till now. So students, in previous lecture, I am repeating, in previous lecture we have discussed three important types in detail with so many examples, and these three types are सबसे ज़्यादा important for your examinations: narrow AI, general AI and super intelligent AI. So ज़रूर वो sessions आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, link is added in the description box. So thank you so much everyone and all the very best.